My topic is very apt because I've got background music along with my speech. So that is kind of arranged by me if anybody wants to know about that. Have you ever found yourself in a situation in doing something you are wondering, what the hell, how did I reach here? What the hell am I doing in this place? 14 years ago, with the help of a friend, I joined the Shamak Dawaz Institute of Dance. Me learning dance. You know what my idea of dance before that was? Sunny Deol killing cockroaches. Or some drunken crazy guy doing anything. I used to dance at parties and people used to come and ask me, how many you had? And I was like, man, I don't drink. And that was the scope of my dance ability before I joined the dance class. I was really wooden and crazy before that. So I joined this dance class, Shamak Dawaz Institute, a famous dance class. When I joined the class, first surprise, 3 boys, 30 girls.
Wow!
So how many I agree with you? It's a great thing. Okay, how many would like to make a fool of themselves in front of 30 pretty girls? No hands? But still, that proportion carried throughout my time at the institute. And sometimes I was just one boy and 40 girls. That has also happened. Now the institute is got certain levels. Each level is of 3 months. And in each level, the group performs a dance. We pick a song and we make a dance based on it. At the end of the 3 months, we have to perform that dance on stage. And in front of other students, in front of guests, in front of family members. Each session is 3 times a week, 1.5 hours. Half an hour is dedicated to exercise, 1 hour to choreography of the dance. And that's when I really learned what exercise means. 150 crunches. 10 minutes in player position. You know what player position is? This is a player position. And you have to hold it like this for 10 minutes. Man, you try that. Just go home and try that. You won't be able to walk straight for the next 3 days. And last, splits. How many of you seen the new Volvo commercial where Bam does that split on the truck? It's there on Facebook. Go and see it. He actually does a 180-degree split over 2 trucks. Man, that's painful. But you know what? Being the only guy in the class, or only one of the few boys in the class, you can't show pain in front of the girls. So you're dying inside, but you have to show, man, nothing happened. Mard ko dard nahi hota. It was a crazy experience doing this, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. In the beginning, the instructors take it easy with you. They tell you the steps and they kind of guide you through it. But as you go up the levels, I did this for 2 years. As you get up the levels, it gets harder and harder, faster. The instructors tell you the steps only in 1 minute and you have to learn it. I used to bring 3 t-shirts because in half an hour, my entire shirt used to get soaked in sweat. It was that fast at the higher levels. I even tried out for Shamak's group, but was not selected. Somebody smarter than me realized this guy doesn't deserve to be a professional dancer. Otherwise, I would be the world's worst professional dancer. We learn in life, when you fall down, pick yourself up and continue. You know the saying, usually we have this saying, the dance class, this is actually true. I have seen people dancing, tumble on the floor, get up and dance as if nothing has changed. That is what they teach us in the dance class. That is one of the major lessons I learned in the dance class. No matter what happens, continue as if nothing has happened. Continue dancing. I remember this one incident. It was a major show, very important show. And I was dancing with my group. A group had to form a compound. Compound is a square and go to the left of the stage. And me, like an idiot, didn't realize that and I found myself dancing alone on the right hand side. Now, I could have quickly run back into the group. That would look very funny. So what I decided, as per my training, I did the steps there only, and then I did this. And I got huge applause. And everybody thought I was the hero. falls apart right on stage. I have seen pants tear right in front of me. But you have to continue, you have to continue. You cannot stop, you have to continue. That is one important lesson as part of dance which I learned. Any speech on my experience at Sharma Towers Institute would be incomplete without acknowledging my instructors. I came into the institute as punishment for their last life sins. I really sometimes I think after the classes they would go in a corner and cry, why this guy in my class? But they were patient and they taught me and somehow I reached the higher levels. They are fantastic dancers, fantastic human beings. Some of you might have even seen them dancing in movies. They were also dancing behind Aishwarya Rai in the original Dhoom Machale song. Fantastic dancers, amazing people. Overall, I like to say, at least once in your life, no matter what your age, at least once in your life, join a dance class. See what a difference it makes to your life. Have a great time. Let go of your inhibitions. Have fun. Be on stage. It's a fantastic experience. Thank you very much.